Aviation Week Network video coverage from the 2025 Paris Air Show is brought to you by GE Aerospace.
We're back at the Paris Air Show, which once again is unfolding under the shadow of war. And this year, it's not just the Russian invasion of Ukraine that's on the agenda. We're also seeing Israel strike Iran's nuclear program and military infrastructure. So clearly, one big topic at Paris will be air and missile defenses, as countries grapple with how to take down everything from hypersonic missiles to small drones. But it's not just air and missile defense that's going to be a big topic here in Paris. You're also going to see news on other things. For example, the French Rafale fighter is sporting conformable fuel tanks. Embraer expects to have news on the KC-390 again. And US companies are here in force to show they, at least, still care about European security.